Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yara. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. What I have for you guys today, I'm going to be testing a few products and a few gifts that I got for Christmas. One of them was the Huda Beauty foundation. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Look how beautiful my skin looks. And I'm also going to be showing you how I got this eye makeup look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you guys like this tutorial. Now keep on watching. One of my gifts was my nails. Look at them, they look beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. Look how pretty they look. It's like the first time that they give me what I want. I always show them pictures and they never give me what I want. So yeah, I'm super excited. Anyways, let's start with the face. I'm gonna start by putting my hair back so I don't mess it up with my makeup. But yeah, my loves, let me know how your Christmas was. Our Christmas was super fun. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of food. We had a lot of family coming over from different places. And I hope your Christmas was great. Let me know how your Christmas was, if you guys ate a lot of food, because we did. Anyway, let's get started. One of my gifts was from Sephora. I really love Sephora. And what I got in this gift was the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm super excited for this gift. I have never tried this foundation, so I'm so excited. And this is by Huda Beauty, and I hope they got me the right shade. The shade that they got was the Dulce de Leche, and it looks like this. It looks like they did get the right shade, so I hope they did. And also they got me the Sephora lipstick 3. Looks like this was also a gift. And yeah, and I'm gonna be applying it with my Real Techniques sponge. I also got this for Christmas, which I'm really excited. I already wet it, so yeah, super soft. I'm excited to use it. I haven't used one of these sponges in a long time. I also received is this one right here. It's the set of brushes, super beautiful. This is what it looks like, and I'm also gonna be testing them out for you guys today. Look how beautiful they are. I'm gonna be applying this all over my face. This is the rose facial oil. Looks like this. I'm gonna be applying it all over my face. I have never tested out, and I have heard great reviews about it, so I'm super excited. And I also love the packaging, especially because it's a pump. Really excited about it. And I'm just gonna be taking my Real Techniques sponge, and it was super exciting because we got to see my brother again. He only comes once or twice a year because he's in college and he's really far away from us. It's about 5 or 6 hours away from where I live, so it's really emotional when he leaves, but it's super exciting when he gets here. We're super happy because he's here in town. He's gonna be staying with us for 2 weeks. Okay, so it looks like they got a great match. A little bit more just to see if it's able to build up the coverage. The coverage so far looks amazing. I'm really liking this foundation. But yeah, isn't it crazy that we are already at the end of the year? I think it's crazy. The years, every year keeps going faster and faster, and I feel older and older. Can time just stop for a little bit? And my kids keep growing, makes me super sad. So far the foundation looks super stunning on the skin. I really liked it. Really like it. It looks like my husband did a great job choosing the shade. Now for concealer, I'm just gonna be taking my favorite concealer, and you guys already know it's by L'Oreal. I'm just gonna be applying a good amount under my eyes. What is something you guys always cook on Christmas? Let me know down below in the comments. I would like to meet more of you guys that are always watching my YouTube videos, and I would like to know what you guys did for Christmas, what you guys cooked, if you had fun, if you had a lot of family come over. I would like to know everything about you. Just leave me comments down below. I swear I'm super nice person, super chill. By the way, I don't have many friends because they're always being haters And yeah, I'd rather stay by myself. My husband, of course, is like my best friend. Tell him everything. So yeah, I only have one brother. And we are 11 months apart, so that's why we're super close. And also he's super smart. So since he was in 5th grade, I believe they bumped him up a grade. So we always been in the same grade, the same class, the same teachers, the same friends, everything. And that's basically how I met my husband. He was kind of his friend first, and that's how we started talking. And that's what we always do. He would date my friends, I would date his friends. Isn't that great? And I ended up marrying my husband because it was my brother's friend. I went to his birthday party, and that's when I met my husband. Isn't this funny? Anyways, next gift I'm gonna be trying is this beautiful brushes. They look so nice. Okay, so it tells you and the brush what they're for. This is deep powder brush. Looks like this is super soft, especially for the holidays. You want your makeup to last all day long, so I'm gonna be setting it. Surprised how soft this brush is. I mean, I don't even want to stop using it. So these two brushes, it says they are for contouring your face. They look like this. So one is angled and one is a little bit for contouring. If you can see the shade of them. So I'm gonna use this one first right here. This one is the contour buffing brush, BH Cosmetics. I haven't used this in a long time. So I'm gonna be contouring my face with this shade right here, and it looks like it picks up the product beautifully. I'm gonna be stamping it on my face. With the other brush, this is the angled contour brush. I'm gonna be blending in, this is the angle contour brush, and I'm gonna be blending my contour with this without taking any more product. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the blush brush. It looks like this, super stunning. I love the shape of it. For blush today, I'm just gonna be using the Ciate London I got on my Boxy Charm. Taking this super pretty brush. Okay, it looks like it's picking it up really nicely. And I'm just gonna be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Brush is a highlighting brush. Looks like this. It looks super nice. I never seen this kind of brush for the highlighter, so I'm excited to use it. Hopefully it works. So this brush so far is the only one that I haven't really like, so I'm just gonna be taking my BH Cosmetics highlighting brush. This is the number 4. The number 4. Using my Dose of Colors, and this is the Baked Browns palette. It looks like this, just because the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing today is this shade right here, so this is gonna be like the main attraction of this makeup. Taking the next brush, this is the eyeshadow crease brush. Looks like this, super fluffy, and I'm gonna be taking first this shade right here. I'm gonna be applying it all over my crease. Shade right here. Gonna be applying it on my crease as well. Taking the eyeshadow crease brush, I'm gonna be blending everything together. Really New York Eye Studio. This is an eyeliner, black eyeliner, but I'm gonna be using it to set. I'm gonna be using it to cover all my lid. The eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna be taking this black eyeliner and I'm gonna put it all over my crease. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild single shadows. This is just in the shade black. Taking the same brush. Anyways, let's finish up the eye makeup. For that, I'm gonna be taking the eyeliner brush. It's just an angle small brush, looks like this. I'm gonna be taking the single Wet n Wild black color with this angle brush first. And what I want to do with this is that I'm gonna be focusing super close to the waterline. That's where I'm gonna be applying it. Together, I'm gonna be taking the eyeshadow brush, this one right here, the same one that I applied my black eyeliner with, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here just to blend the black eyeliner a little bit more. This one, yeah, I'm gonna be taking this shadow right here. It's just a gold shade, and I'm gonna be putting it in my inner corner. Brush, this is the eye taper crease brush. I'm just gonna be taking this to put a little bit in on my inner corners. There is a brush for the eye highlight brush, this one right here. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking this white shade right here and applying it on my brow bone right here, just to line it up a little bit. Eyes, I don't know about you, but I love this look. It came out so cute. I'm sometimes scared of using black eyeshadows just because it seems like somebody punched you, so you don't want to look like that. You just need to blend it and be patient with the black eyeshadow color. Now what I'm gonna do, my loves, is my lips. That's the very end. I'm gonna be testing out with the Sephora lipstick that I got for Christmas. And for lip liner, I'm just gonna be taking a dark lip pencil eyeliner. This one right here is in the shade brown. It's really dark, so I'm gonna be taking this dark lip liner, and I'm gonna be underlining my lips. In my lipstick, this color looks super beautiful on the lips. I thought it was gonna be too light or too dark for my I thought it was gonna be too light for my skin tone. I thought it was gonna look exactly like lips color, but no, it looks really nice. Love it. My husband did a great job with my gift. To finish this look, I'm gonna be spraying one more time a little bit of setting spray. And one tip that I can give you guys is take your beauty blender as soon as you spray and blend everything together. This is gonna make sure your makeup stays on all night long, especially for these holidays, and you're gonna be taking a bunch of pictures, so you want your face to look the best it can. I forgot I didn't even touch my eyebrows. Can you guys believe that? And I'm already done. Okay, so all I'm gonna be doing, yeah, my eyebrows look fine, I think. I'm just gonna be taking my brow bar palette, this one right here, and I'm just gonna be taking the mascara, and I'm gonna be applying it through, and I'm just gonna apply it through my eyebrows. So I've been loving this perfume. It was also a Christmas gift for my husband. Looks like this. Let me open it so you guys can see the bottle. The bottle is beautiful, guys. I'm obsessed with this perfume. It was super big. It's gonna last me forever. The scents, oh my god, I cannot stress enough how beautiful this perfume is, and it also lasts all day long on your skin. I'm obsessed. It's just, and this is how we're gonna end this tutorial. It smells so good, guys. If you guys have never smelled this, you need to try this perfume. I'm obsessed with it. It smells great, guys. I don't even know what else to show you guys. It just smells so beautiful. It smells clean, it smells fresh. It's gonna last all day long. I just recommend this Paris Hilton perfume. This is it for this tutorial. These are all the gifts I got. These are a few gifts of what I got on my Christmas. I'll be making another tutorial on the other gifts very soon. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. I hope you guys have a great New Year's. I'm really excited. I think will be like the makeup look that I will use, and also my nails. Did mention at the beginning of the video, this is also what my husband gave me for Christmas. My nails, they're super stunning. I love them. I was also inspired by this nails to do my makeup like this today. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Maybe I will add a little clip of what I wore that day. Christmas and Happy New Year's if I don't upload another video by then. I love you. Thank you all for all the support you guys give me each day in this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one.